Crop production. Crop plants. Plants that are grown in a field for food are called crop plants. Crop plants produce the food that we eat. Preparation of soil. Two major steps involved in preparing the soil: plowing. Two major steps involved in preparing the soil: leveling. Enrichment of the soil. With plants being grown in it year after year, soil loses its fertility. This is because the nutrients present in the soil get used up. In order to maintain the fertility of the soil needs to be enriched from time to time. It can be done by two methods: artificial, natural. Artificial method. The productivity of soil can be enriched artificially by adding manure or fertilizers to the soil. Manure is basically of two types: green manure, compost. Fertilizers. Fertilizers are man-made and totally chemical substances. Fertilizers can supply a balanced mix of nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, which are required by crops. Natural method. Some natural methods to help in enrichment of soil: crop rotation, field fallowing, mixed cropping. Irrigation. The main sources of water for irrigation projects are rivers, ponds, wells, tube wells, etc. Dams are constructed across rivers and water is brought to the fields by canals. Weeding. Weeds are the unwanted plants that grow along the main crops and compete with them for sunlight, nutrients, water, space, etc. They affect the growth and yield of crop plants. Weeds grow faster than the crop itself. Some weeds are poisonous too. Pesticides. After replenishing the soil with adequate nutrients, it is important to protect the crop from being damaged by pests, microbes, and fungus. For this purpose, Chemical substances known as pesticides are used to control them. Storage. Storage of grains is an important task of agriculture. Grains are stored, taking some necessary precautions so that they last for a long period and also to ensure that there is no shortage of food in case of crop failure.